Good morning. We came back from Tacoma yesterday. We was in Tacoma. My grandson had competitions, swimming competitions. He is 18 years and they came from Russia last year, 2022 in June. And he was in Russia. He was in law school. He's 18 years. He was in law school for 2 years, and also he was in swimming school. And then it's Olympic champion swimming school, and he had very good score in swimming. He was one of the best for short distance in swimming in his age. And when he came to United States last year, and he was shown on the swimming pool, local swimming pool, and people was recognizing that he is good in this swimming, and he start to coaching the kids. So he has group of small kids, age 5, 6, and up to teen age, and also he's doing in a swimming competition, and he win all distance in 2 days. Of course, he's in a personal achievement. He want to do something more. Now is the plan that maybe he will go to the college, or we'll see what he can to do with this his swimming experience. I am helping now to my daughter and my grandchildren to establish life in US. That to get the best experience, to be useful and help useful in this country, to make achievement and to bring the best what they have. We will see. It's not easy. Today is very cold. It's even rain. It's turning probably to ice little bit. I can see that. It's so beautiful. Look at this. I am glad to go back to home anyway. Beautiful. So refreshing. Rain. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching my videos.